Welcome back to another powerful heavy machinery video. Today we are at Sotiriadis Mining Works, where the legendary Liebherr 984 excavator is in full beast mode. No brakes, no slowdown, just non-stop truck loading with raw power and extreme precision. If you love big excavators, massive bucket scoops, and real mine site action, this video is going to be a treat. So sit tight, enjoy the sound of engines, and watch the 984 show how serious earth moving is done. The Liebherr 984 is one of the most respected machines in the mining world. Built for high production and continuous performance, it works like a giant steel athlete, fast, powerful, and efficient. Every single swing of the boom, every bucket of material, and every load dumped into a truck is perfectly controlled. What makes this machine special is not just its size, but its balance of strength and accuracy. Even with tons of material inside the bucket, the operator moves it smoothly, like he's controlling it with fingertips. That's years of experience and world-class hydraulics working together. At Sotiriadis Mining Works, there is only one goal: keep the trucks moving. As soon as one truck is fully loaded, the next one reverses into position. No time wasted. This is real production, real business. Mines do not stop, and neither does the Liebherr 984. The big steel bucket dives deep into the ground, grabs a full scoop, lifts it smoothly, swings across, and drops it into the waiting truck in seconds. The sound of the hydraulic pump, the vibration of metal, and the roar of the diesel engine create a perfect soundtrack for machine lovers. Every truck leaves loaded to the top, and the next truck arrives immediately. The excavator's operator shows perfect control. No spilling, no hesitation. The truck drivers trust the machine above their heads, and that trust comes from skill. When a 70-ton machine is working inches away from a truck cabin, there is no space for mistakes. That's why professional miners are real-life heroes of industrial work. The power of this machine becomes even clearer when you look at the size of each bucket. One scoop is enough to fill half a truck. Just imagine the weight: rocks, soil, and material that would take dozens of workers to move by hand. But the Liebherr 984 does it in seconds, again and again, without stopping. This is what modern mining looks like. Machines working with the strength of hundreds of humans. Even with non-stop operation, the excavator stays stable and smooth. The tracks grip the ground like glue. The boom moves without shaking, and the bucket cuts through material like a knife. It's a mix of engineering, physics, and pure mechanical power. Mining fans know that this is the kind of machine that turns a normal job site into a high-speed production zone. If you are a fan of excavators, dump trucks, bulldozers, and heavy machinery action, this video is perfect for you. It shows not just strength, but skill, teamwork, and precision. One machine loads, another hauls, and the earth keeps moving. This is how construction and mining change landscapes, build industries, and supply the world with raw materials. Thank you for watching and supporting heavy machinery content. If you enjoyed this non-stop beast mode action from the Liebherr 984, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more real footage from mines, quarries, and job sites around the world. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. More machines, more power, and more real action are coming soon. Until then, enjoy the video and keep loving these massive giants at work.